This is a tutorial for the song The Sound of Music, theme song for the movie the same name. And this is a pretty simple song. It's in the key of F, so you only have one black key to watch out for. So that's a good thing. I'll show you the melody first with the fingering. You're going to start with your fourth finger on this C right here. You're going to watch out for that B flat. You get down to G, you run out of fingers, so you're going to go over with your third finger on F. And then you put your fourth finger on this F. And your third finger on E, and you're going to go under with your thumb on this F note. Fourth finger on that B flat note. And then lift up your hand and put your fourth finger on that C there. Thumb and third finger over again on F. Second finger on your third finger, and then you go under with your thumb on G. That gets you up to the top. Your thumb goes on E, second finger there. Fourth finger here. Then you put your second finger on E. Put your thumb under on F. Third finger on F there. Thumb. Third finger there. 5. Second finger. Then you put your thumb on E. And then your thumb under your third finger to G. So it's, you got your second finger on this E, then you change it to your thumb on E, like a lark. Who is your third finger, then your thumb goes under on B. Excuse me, your thumb goes under your thumb like a third finger on A. Your third finger's on G, your thumb is on A. Third finger like that. Fourth finger on C, fifth finger. Watch out for that B flat there. Thumb, third finger over. Third finger on F. Third finger on F and thumb under on G there. B flat. Put your thumb on this B natural. Third finger. Thumb on A. Thumb there again. Thumb on F. Fourth finger there. Thumb there. And second finger on that F note. So a couple things you got to watch out for with the fingering there. I'll show you the chords that go with it. By the way, I'm not playing, there's a verse at the beginning of this song, but it's not really that much well known, I think, compared to the rest of this song, so I'm just starting on the refrain for you. So, you start with an F chord on hills, F, A, C. There's an E chord there, so F is F, A, C, then E is E, G sharp, and B. F again. B flat is D, F, B flat, like that. C7, E, G, B flat, and C. F again, F, A, C. E chord, E, G sharp, B. F, B flat, F, B flat, D. There's a C chord, E, G, C. And then you add a B flat on the third beat there, making it a C7 chord, and an F chord again, F, A, C. There's a B flat chord, D, F, B flat. That's a B flat diminished chord. Actually, I'm playing a D diminished seventh. It's D flat, E, G, B flat. There's an F chord, a C, F, A. B flat, D, F, B flat. There's that B flat diminished seventh again, D flat, E, G, B flat. F, C, F and A, B flat diminished seventh, F, there's the G7, D, G, B, D, F, G, B, C chord, C, E, G, F, C, F, A, B flat, D, F, B flat, B flat diminished seventh, F, same thing, D minor, D, F, A, there's an A minor, E, A, C, D minor again, D, F, A, G7, D, F, G, B, C, C, E, G, C7, which adds that B flat, F, F, A, C. There's an E chord, E, G, sharp, B, F, B flat, F, B flat, D, B flat minor, F, B flat, D flat, F, A minor, E, A, C, B flat, D, F, B flat, G minor chord, D, G minor, D, G, B flat. There's an A minor, E, A, C, C7, C, E, G, B flat, and you end on an F chord. So those are the chords. Work on it hands alone. If you like singing, you can, one way to practice the chords for the left hand would be to kind of hum or sing the melody while you're playing the chord until you get the hands down so you can play it with both hands, with the melody with the right hand and the chord in the left hand. So work on it hands alone. When you're all through, it sounds like this.